I've been broke, now I'm rich. Met this bitch, made her strip, threw some cash on her tits. I've been broke, now I'm rich. Met this bitch, made her strip, threw some cash on her tits. I've been broke, now I'm rich. Met this bitch, made her strip, threw some cash on her tits. Penthouse suite, yeah we lit, bumping nip. Or some 42, one in a cup. Now she slaughtering on my tip. Waking up the next day, I gotta make a play. Feeling grateful today, I gotta meditate. Top of the top, welcome back to another episode. I'm in a Type-R right now, and then currently I'm about to go to a Honda because I'm not sure if a lot of you guys got this, but I got a recall letter for the AC condenser seal. I guess a lot of them are failing. They're leaking out the AC freon or whatever it's called, the refrigerant, whatever you want to call it. Currently my Type-R doesn't have AC pretty much. I filled it up last year with the can. It was cold, but then it just like turned warm. And I don't know if it started leaking, because I know that these Hondas don't have the best AC. I've had like three, this is my 10th gen Honda I've had up close. Might as well just get it looked at, and hopefully it is damaged. That way they can fill up the Type-R with free coolant, refrigerant, whatever. I'm rebuilding back to stock the Type-R with maintenance stuff. Last week I did the oil change. This week I'm getting the AC looked at, plus also getting an alignment tomorrow, Andy's alignment. So stay tuned. I'll probably add that to this episode. We already got new tires like a month ago. Oil's already done. Next is gonna be spark plugs, cabin air filter, transmission oil, flush on the engine coolant. I want to do a lot of stuff, make sure the Type-R is back to like 100% stock, you know, 100, like maintain. But yeah, guys, I want to go on a road trip soon. Do y'all want to see more cruise videos to the different areas in LA? Y'all want to see more photography included in the channel? Y'all want to see that? More car meets, cars and coffee type vibes? What y'all want to see? What y'all want to see? I love doing POV, so we could do POV. You feel me? So. Perfect downshift. Here's a Honda dealer. Let's go see what's up with them, and I'll pick it up with the update. Do they fix it or they don't? I've been broke, now I'm rich. We're leaving the Honda dealer, and guess what, y'all? So as I was right, the AC condenser had to get replaced. Shout out to the warranty. That's right there, y'all. It was an $800 job. I don't think I've had cold AC in this Type-R since I pretty much bought it. But dude, it fucking feels good to have fucking AC in this shit again. Hell yeah. So right now, I'm so happy that the Type-R has AC again. I could kick it in here with the windows up. Yeah, I was about to buy some refrigerant too and spend like $65, $70. And I was like, yo, shout out Gardena Honda. If you are ever in LA, look for Johnny Leon. He already knows me too. So pretty much Damn, the AC wasn't even on the button and it's just already cold. They got some good ass service here. So if you ever want to bring your Type-R, your SI, you want good service, fast, come to Gardena Honda. But it feels good to have fucking AC in this shit again. Hell yeah. Man, I ain't gonna lie, bro. One thing about the Type-R, it gets very stuffy in here. So without having AC blasting cold, yeah. But I'm glad that, you know, shout out to the Honda warranty. I got the letter in the mail about a week ago. Brought it within 5 hours. Good to go. But, yeah. Let's see what we get into today. Tomorrow we have an alignment. So little by little, we're checking stuff off the list. Shout out Gardena Honda. AC condenser has been replaced. And I'm happy, man, to cruise with AC again. That's Japan if you didn't know. So we made it to Andy's alignment. We're gonna get the Type-R aligned because my steering wheel is a little bit to the left like this. So we gotta make sure that we get this shit situated. But once he's done with that car, that truck, the Type-R is next. I'm excited. AC condenser's fixed, alignment's gonna get finally fixed, and then we're gonna go down the list of the to-do stuff for the Type-R. I've heard good stuff about this alignment shop, so that's the reason I came over here. You know, they work on cool cars, and I trust people that work on nice cars. But let's see how it turns out.
It's weird, you're running like a lot more cameras than that's the weird part. They're fun cars. The only downside of it is they like to overheat.
Yeah.
It depends on what you do with the
Yeah.
Canyon once in a while, cruise.
Alright, let's go get the Type-R. Alignment should be done. Oh yeah. Sheesh, she's looking good. Alright, let's go for a little test drive. Whoa, steering wheel is fucking straight, yo. Handling feels more precise. Shout out Andy's alignment, man. If you gotta get your car aligned, bring it to Glendale. I'm gonna leave the information on the screen. 70 bucks. Y'all saw the lower car friendly. Car is good. Here's the info. Here's my before alignment specs. Pretty bad if I say so myself. And this is current. Stock suspension. Here it is. Like I said though, Andy's alignment, pretty cool. Glendale, dope vibes, dope area to walk around if you're the type of person who likes to walk around with your time. Cool neighborhood.
Hey, look, pull up, big body Civic. That's a Fk8 limited edition whip. This ain't regular shit. I be fucking your bitch in this shit. LA vibes, and we lit. Bumpy nip, pound sweet, LA views. So many different ways, hard underground. Got the 63S and the SVJ. Got the NS6 tucked away. LA vibes, make a play, crash on Slauson. That's where I come from. R.I.P. the nip.
Yeah, catch a LA vibe, California vibe, Dirk and homicides, La homie wanna slide, I never testified, your crew get crucified, see coding in my eyes, my music televised, I can hardly tell you lies, money got me mesmerized, all my diamonds certified, she sucked it in the ride, got rich without no guy, yeah, tough on lead online, don't kill her, let none die.